So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here, scroll down and tap on screen time. Scroll down and then tap on this option. Now here, tap on allowed apps and features. Now here you will see all the features that you can allow. For example, here is the camera. Now as you can see here, the toggle next to it is turned off. So what you have to do is enable it. And now this will fix the issue. Now go back. Also, if you want, then you can turn this toggle off. Now go back. Go back again. In case the issue is still not fixed, then scroll down. And here tap on privacy and security. Scroll down. And here you will see this option called camera. Tap on it. Now as you can see here, some apps don't have camera permission. So allow the camera for them. For this, enable the toggle next to them. Like this. Now go back to home screen. And now this should fix the issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then try force restarting your iPhone. For this, press volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press and hold this power button. Let me show you how. Now keep holding the power button. Release the power button once you see this Apple logo. And now this will force restart your iPhone. Now once your phone restarts, unlock it. And now this should fix missing camera permission issue. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.